Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to view saved messages in a chat on the Telegram app for PC. Whether you're new to Telegram or exploring its latest updates, this simple tutorial will help you access your saved messages quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and features. Next, locate the chat where you've saved the messages you want to view. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find it. Once you've found the chat, click on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window where the name of the contact or group is displayed. Click on this name to open the contact or group information panel. This will bring up a detailed view of that specific chat, including options and settings related to it. Within this panel, you'll see an option to access saved messages. Click on it to enter your personal saved messages section. This is where Telegram stores all the messages, links, media, and notes that you've saved from various chats. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your saved messages on Telegram for PC. From here, you can browse through all your saved content, making it easy to retrieve important information whenever needed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.